Hi, my name is Gareth Brown from Rich Games for Learning. I wanted to show you this resource, Math Games for Grades 3 to 4, and talk about some of the games that are in it. My focus for developing these resources was to create a rich learning experience that uses a combination of both luck and strategy, that engages students and encourages them to think ahead about the choices they're making. The games help children develop problem-solving strategies to understand mathematical concepts. They're interpersonal and encourage discussion and learning based on experience. So let's have a look in the resource. So the first page you reach is the contents page. It's got all the games listed down here and the learning outcomes. So we've got addition, subtraction and addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. If you don't have dice available for any reason, you can use this page. Just put a pencil and flick a paperclip around, see which number it lands on. All the games have an instruction page, how many players, the learning outcomes, required material, and the aim of the game. Now the instructions I've tried to keep as short and concise as possible, but still make them really clear to understand. And there's also a notes section which has a few extra ideas on how you'd like to implement those ideas in the game. I've also included diagrams that correspond with the instructions to make them a bit more easy to understand. This is number scramble. Players need to roll the die and collect numbers up here and then group numbers together to equal an answer that they can also equal by colouring in a line of numbers on the board. This game is number driver. Players need to move the counter around the roads, and whichever number they land on, if it's a positive, they have to add that to their score. If it's a negative, they have to take it away from their score. But they've got a bit of choice into how far they move along the road. I was playing this game with a grade of 3/4 the other day, and I looked around and the whole class all had their heads down, frantically playing and adding and subtracting to work out their score. This game is the net, where players need to move along the circles, multiplying two of the numbers together that they land on in a row to equal the target numbers. Now all the games come with a blank template like this one, and the idea is that teachers can use it to fill it out with their own numbers to focus on maybe an area that they're focusing on in the classroom at the time. But students can also use the templates to create their own games and play with other people. And I've found the students that I've got to create their own games, they've loved it. They've become really engaged. They love developing their own games with their own ideas and then playing it with other classmates. Now the way I've designed it, each game, like Balloon Pop here, goes up in the level of difficulty as you go along. So this is the easiest Balloon Pop game, and as you move up, there's a few games, probably about 6 or 7 of each game, and then the last one is the most difficult. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to download this valuable class resource, you can do that right now. It's valued at $35, but you can buy it for just $27, and it comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. So buy it now just by clicking the button below this screen, and have fun.